Good evening and welcome to Piero Albarzon. Maybe this is not new to you. You have been here, maybe some of you've been here 2 times, 3 times already, or meron sa inyo ang bago lang dito. Sino ang bago sa inyo dito? Bago ko kayo, dapat inalikan nyo yung bago dun sa harap na Before I going to deliver my very short message to all of you, I have to tell you my condition. I've been here for 40 days, I'm 40 days old now. And I have only 90 days left. 90 days left in the service. Which means I will be retiring after 90 days, not less than 90 days. You are now listening to the person or the police officer who's going to retire after 90 days. So sometimes I examine myself and I think I'm crazy because I feel different feelings that way I used to be. I was there as president of my own organized crime groups. Gusto ko nandun ako sa front line fighting criminals head on. But from my status now, it becomes more strategic, it becomes managerial. So there are things that I can see na I don't used to see it before. Maturity maybe, but in me, I can still find several moralities, some imperfections. By the way, my family is sa likod yung family. Pakitas niyo yung mga kamay niyo dyan na magpakilala ko dyan. My wife is there and 2 daughters of mine. Kalakalan natin yung mga from Manila to see you. This will be very informal, no? Huwag tayo masyadong maging seryoso. And I have to tell you that I'm with PWD. I told you that before. That's why if you ask me questions, at least I can invoke my 20% discount. Provided to you. So, message is this, no? In every buzz, there is a story unfolding. In every uniform, a life quietly unfolding beyond the call of duty. Sa likod ng Chapa is not just a song, it is a journey into the unseen, a tribute to the weight carried in silence. And the battles fought far from this battle. Behind every operation is a beating heart. Behind every command is a sacrifice. Behind every hero is a story that deserves to be heard. Tonight, we unveil more than music. We unveil truth. We unveil humanity. We unveil the soul behind the bodies. This is for those who serve without applause, political. For those without applause, mga unsung heroes. For those who stand in the line of fire, not for glory, but for country. This is sa likod ng Chapa. And this is their story. Maraming salamat po.